up, dude? Hi, this is Nir from the Bricks. Dude, how are you today? We have prepared some special content just for you. Ready to watch? You had it coming!
Lego Creator 3-in-1 number 31075 Outback Adventures. This is a very nice set with a pickup truck. That's the main model there. It also has two alternative models such as a helicopter and another one which are less interesting. So we decided to turn that model into a Lego Space, actually classic Lego Space pickup truck. And why is that? Because we like the vintage Lego Space from the end of the 70s and the beginning of the 80s. Here you can see how it was before. You see many colors. It also has a nice power feature where that spare wheel can actually take out that trailer. This is something I've seen only in this particular model, which is very nice to have. Now the minifigure was a little bit hard to take out from inside the pickup truck. We're going to replace him with a Lego Spaceman. And these are the parts which you're going to need in order to complete this mission. And how does it look after? This is how it looks after. A Lego Space pickup truck. You see the colors are mainly light gray or light bluish gray, even though there was no light bluish gray back then, but still looks almost similar, and the blue. We also have the seats in yellow. And for whatever it comes for transparent parts, we prefer to take the yellow transparent round tiles. Everything in the bottom was replaced with different parts, actually same parts but different color, to be gray and blue. Now for the seats, why did we choose the yellow? Because in one Lego Space set from 1980 you can see that the inside furniture is all yellow. This is set number 6970, Beta 1 command base. So this is why we chose to have yellow seats. Also from the sides, parts were replaced with light gray color parts or blue parts inside. Also here blue. Now, one of the challenging things was to find a windscreen. So this is a very special windscreen, but probably very hard to get. So you can also use a different windscreen, such as this one, which is just transparent with no special color, instead of that blue one. You can open the back, and inside you have two instruments, probably for camping because this is Outback Adventures. You can also change them. This is not a must, but if you like you can change them to colors which are more classic Lego Space colors, as the blue and the gray, and that gives it more looking of a classic Lego Space style. Let's get back to the blue and transparent windscreen, which is actually two parts combined in one each other. Now if you take that part, you can see other parts which were replaced in either light gray or dark gray. Let's put it back again. Now, if you hadn't noticed, the new driver is a Lego spaceman which is called Benny from the Lego movie. I guess this is easier to be found, or you can put any other spaceman which you like. The whole top part was also removed to make it more playable in order to be able to put your minifigure inside. Now, if you don't want to have those two instruments, you can take a box, a dark gray box with a tile on top of it, and just put it there. You can also have it without nothing to be able to put another minifigure or two in the back. And this is it. A Lego space pickup truck. Enjoy!